Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a hyperlink or how to insert a link inside the text on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a hyperlink in your Microsoft Excel web, I just going to show in this video how to insert a hyperlink or link inside the text on your computer. So first of all, I just type as a YouTube show, YouTube text, something like that. So you just click on the cell, okay, right click show, and you will see an option called insert link, or you can just use your keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus K. To click this, it will show the display text and where do you want to send this link. So I just going to copy my YouTube channel link first. I just copy it here. I just copy the URL, okay. So now I'm just going to paste this URL here. You can just copy so your YouTube video link or your website link, whatever you just needed. So you just want to paste here, okay. So where do you want to link this? I just click on OK option. Now you can see it has this hyperlink. This is how you just insert the link or hyperlink inside any text. If you just need to click on the cell, you can click on the insert link. And here also you can just type whatever. For an example, hi, I just going to type as hi and just going to paste this link and click OK. You can see it automatically insert the hyperlink. This is how you just insert hyperlink on your Microsoft Excel web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.